Welcome guys, if you want to perform the soft reset of your JBL Flip Essential, take a look, it's very simple. So as you can see, I'm currently connected with my Android phone. The power button is highlighted on the blue. And to perform the soft reset, you have to click once on this button. Now just wait a few seconds. And click back on the power button. And that's the soft reset. You don't have to perform the hard reset to fix some problems, like for example, when your device is not working properly, it making like strange sounds. You can try to power off and power on the speaker. That's called the soft reset, because we are not restoring the default settings, right? So yeah, if it is working, that's great, but if it's not working, you can try to perform the hard reset. And this video you will find on our YouTube channel. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.